What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another video for you guys. I think since David's seen me fix the dually, the 2020, he's like, I ain't having it. I ain't driving the 6.4 no more. I gotta get a 2020. So he went and picked up another truck. So let's jump into the video and see what he got. And stay tuned because we're going right into the video. The boys out here at Copart picking up another unit. Making sure she's strapped down, David?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ain't going nowhere. She's strapped down, boys. Let's get it. There she is. She's on the road. Heading back to the shop. See, give David a couple of little boom boom when he's crossing the railroad tracks. David's thinking, man, the train's coming. Hey, gotta let the train know you're coming too. You don't want to hit him and derail him. What do you think, David? Got her home good?
Yeah. Alright, guys. This is the new replacement for Old Faithful.
This is the Old Faithful.
We had the Maroon 6.7. We got rid of that for some investments. The investments are over with, and we need a replacement. And this is the new replacement.
I thought that was the new replacement back there.
We don't want to talk about that one.
Wait, let's like this.
Those are some bad decisions. So let's do a walk around and show you guys what we have. As you guys can see, this side is somewhat pretty, somewhat looks good. On this side, well, let's start off. This is a 2020 F350 Lariat.
Limited King Ranch Platinum Edition.
Limited King Ranch Shelby.
There you go.
Hennessy.
Roush.
350 Roush. This side doesn't have much damage. We did look at the truck before we purchased it on the auction. We did not notice this.
Somebody probably came and kicked it after.
You think so?
Or whoever looked at it didn't really look at it good.
Suckers, huh?
Yeah, we won't say no names.
We'll try to PDR this. If it doesn't work, then we'll have to fix it.
Color's sick. It's like popping in the camera.
Yeah, I don't know if there's some metallic or that's just, I can't really tell. But this side's pretty clean. Coming around back, there is a busted taillight. It's a good reason now to go LEDs.
There you go.
Some damage on the bed. Hopefully the paint guy is able to do some magic on this side. Need 2 doors replaced. This one's not as bad. A little dent on the cab, which is not that bad. A little buff and polish should do it. Another door replaced, mirror, front fender. Up front, this is where she took most of the damage. As you can tell, we need a cradle, AC condenser, radiators, grill, headlights, a hood, bumper, fender, and a steering stabilizer on the bottom. We did some modifications.
Just welded her back together.
Welded her back.
The alignment looks a little bit off, but should be good.
And Daddy said if I behave, he'll give me maybe some forces.
There you go.
Some Alibaba forces, maybe.
Hey, as long as they're forces.
So, on the inside, it's pretty clean. 2 blown airbags.
Hey, blown doesn't sound so bad. Is that what they say?
Only when it hits the pocket. We don't like that.
Yeah, it's clean. I didn't even see it inside yet. Is that some kind of rug or something you got there?
These are some kind of seat covers.
Throw it in the comments. We'll send you these seat covers. At a cost, though. That's some fancy seat
These are
covers.
probably like vintage Ford collectible
seat cover.
Ford lovers. We'll do a giveaway on these if you guys like.
Yeah.
Comment down below if that's what you guys want us to do.
There's the mirror. Didn't make it far.
Mirror.
No cover.
How do you look good? This one looks kind of crusted, so you look pretty good.
You see my bald head in there.
So let's get it unloaded, and we have a little surprise. Well, I have a little surprise for you guys. Sergi made me like a promise. He said, I threw a hint at him for his rebuild. I was like, since he has, I don't know if you guys seen it in the previous video.
Yeah, the video will probably be up before this one.
Yeah, so you guys will see he pulled the engine on his dually that he's rebuilding. And I told him, I was like, what if you go with the KC turbo while the engine's already out? And he's like, not a bad idea. And I was like, what if we do like on the channel for one of the videos, we say, hey, what if we get like 10,000 likes or 20,000? And I was like, when you do a KC, he's like, I'll do you one better. He said, on your build, if they get 10,000 likes on this video, he'll buy a KC turbo for me. So guys, if you want to see like some good noises on the channel, some swoom swoom, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, you guys might see us wear some SalvageBoiz t-shirts, some merch. If you guys want some, comment down below. Maybe we can do some like giveaways, huh? Select
some hats, stickers.
Some hats and stickers. We do have hats, we do have stickers, we do have t-shirts, hoodies, but it's already summer coming up. So if you guys want some, maybe we can do like choose one of the comments. What do you think?
Yeah, most like comment.
Oh, that's true. Most like comment, or yeah, just drop something down below, and the most like comment will send. It's either a hat or
the only comment, whichever one. You know,
maybe there will be only one comment.
No comments.
No comments.
Hey, they go comments turned off. No, we ain't like that.
Yeah. So, yeah, guys, if you guys want some hats or some t-shirts or some stickers, make your guys' truck look. That's the old version of the stickers. We have some new ones.
The SB Diesel stickers.
The SB Diesels. And they turn out pretty nice. Maybe we'll show them. Serge has one on his truck right now.
Yeah. These 6.4, you can't see it from here. These 6.4s feel a little sad now. Look, 6.7 there, 6.7 there, here in the shop. So 6.7s.
This one already has like 250,000 miles. She's done good for a long time.
Mine 227,000.
And she purrs. So drop a comment down below, guys, and maybe, let's hope, cross your fingers, tell your guys' friends, buddies, moms, dads, like your comment, and maybe you'll receive a hat or a t-shirt or a sticker in your doorstep.
There you go.
Let's get this unloaded and take a deeper dive into it and see all what we need, order some parts. I want to get on this fast. I want to rebuild it fast. I want to get rid of this one and just start whipping the new daily.
He couldn't live with himself that I'm gonna be mobbing a 2020 right away. As soon as it went into a shop, hey Serge, I got a 2020.
So
straight skipped 11 to 16, 17 to 19. Skipped
within the same week.
Within the same week.
As soon as he put in the shop, I stopped by the shop. Well, I helped him put the truck in the shop, and I'm like, I really like how these trucks drive, and so I hopped on the auction, saw this one popped up. And I said, I did bid on a couple other ones. It wasn't so fortunate enough, but I'm happy that I didn't get the other ones. And this one came up, and it was local to me, so I didn't have to pay no shipping. And I looked at it in person. It wasn't as bad in pictures. It looked worse than it did in person when I checked it out. And on auction, it said it didn't start or run, so which kind of worked out better in my favor since we got it for a better deal. I think, in my opinion. What do you think?
No, that's a good deal.
So, let's dive into it, and we'll catch you guys in a bit.
Fires right up. Well, maybe don't. Let's not do that. Hey. Come back here. My weld didn't hold. What are we doing now, David? The weld?
She took a ripperooski on us.
That's what happens when you don't prep the weld. You just send it.
Or you just have a good welder.
Yeah, there's not much of those guys around here.
They don't build them like these.
Yeah, they don't build them like they used to. Okay, after a couple of technical difficulties, we got the bar swapped out. And now, we should have done that in the first place, but we live, we learn. Straight. More, no, this is... Okay. Look at that. Ripperoni. David checking the horn. A ripperoni, huh?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Ready to roll. Now it'll be easier to move around.
Yeah.
Look at that, boys. She churns. It's probably in four-wheel drive. Wheels churn, that's nice. Gotta use that at Copart, but can't have everything. Looks good from this side.
Alright guys, we got it unloaded. Let's look underneath the hood. I can get this thing to open. There you go.
That clean.
Clean underneath. We looked into it and the radiators seem to be good. Hoping, cross my fingers, the radiators are good because that'll be a good penny to save. But if it's not, it is what it is. We have what we have. But just take a closer look over here after 10,000 likes. We'll have a good KC in there.
I can't really see it.
Sponsored by SB Diesel. But that's up to you guys. If you guys want to see the KC in there.
The Spitfire, Whistler, whatever they call it.
We just went through the interior, found some floor mats, cut off the airbags.
Clean interior.
Pretty clean. Already has the fifth wheel attachment in there
BMW.
for all them toy haulers that we're gonna be doing. Huh, Serge?
Yeah, something like that.
So,
All them clumped out. 6.4s will be hauling.
6.4. And speaking of 6.4s, tomorrow is another one. So today is one build, tomorrow's another build, and the day after is another one. So that's the new truck. That's the new project that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna focus on doing Sergio's truck first, and once we're done building that, this one will be next on the line. And maybe some little projects here and there, but maybe we'll throw in the background a project here and there. Those are just in between what we do. Those are not really just interesting to post. It's usually just something like that, just a different color and different wheels, but overall same trucks. But yeah, hopefully we can get Sergio's done fast and we'll hop into this one, which we have all the parts for your truck.
Almost. Tomorrow should be all.
Tomorrow should be all.
And
I don't want to spit all the beans in this video. You guys stay along, see the next videos. We'll be sure to keep you guys updated on all of them, what we do. Parts pickup, parts drop off, going different shops, getting quotes.
Spending cash.
Spending more than making lately, but it's okay. We managed to balance it out.
David comes to the shop with his pack out.
But yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, comment, like, subscribe. We're gonna try to get back into posting more frequently, get some more builds on the channel. We have some goodies already ordered up for Sergey's truck that should be showing up, not just stock parts. We got some aftermarket stuff, which should make the truck look a lot better, sound better, perform better. And yeah, so stay along, be updated, turn your whistles on, your bells on, so you don't miss any videos. Because I know with YouTube, if you don't like turn on your notifications on, if it doesn't notify you, you might skip a video with the algorithm and everything like that.
Yeah, I think that's why everybody turned off their notifications for like a couple months. That's why they haven't seen our videos.
Oh, that's probably why.
Algorithms and all that stuff.
So make sure you guys turn your guys' notifications back on. We're gonna be hopping on some new builds here at the channel, so stay tuned. We'll catch you guys on the next one.